नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं अनबॉक्सिंग जियो फ़ोन की। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। ये है जियो फ़ोन। ये जियो फ़ोन लाइव कंपनी की तरफ से है। इसमें कोई वर्ज़न आपको मिलता है, एंड्रॉयड नहीं है। इसमें आपको HD वॉइस कॉल और वीडियो कॉल की सुविधा मिलती है, 4G इंटरनेट ब्राउजिंग। ये मल्टीपल लैंग्वेज सपोर्ट करता है। इसमें GPS और ब्लूटूथ की भी सुविधा है। इसके अलावा ये वायरलेस और FM रेडियो भी सपोर्ट करता है। वाईफाई कनेक्टिविटी भी है, बट इसमें हॉटस्पॉट नहीं है, ये मैंने अभी चेक किया। इसके अलावा इसमें 2.4 इंच की QVGA स्क्रीन है, 2 MP रियर कैमरा है और फ्रंट कैमरा 0.3 मेगापिक्सल है। 2000 mAh की बैटरी है, 512 MB रैम है, दैट मीन हाफ GB and 4 GB internal storage, and we can expand the storage by using a external SD card that it supports 128 GB external card and 3.5 mm headphone jack. So let's open this box. Here is written watch on TV simply by connecting the Geo Media cable. This Geo Media cable is not included in this box. You have to buy this from the market. So let's open this box. So here is the Geo phone. I think it has not the battery. So let's open the box. This is its battery, and the battery is of Life company, and it is 3.7 volts battery. And here is a charger, and the charger is of 5.0 volt. So let's insert the battery in the Geo phone and start the Geo phone and keep this thing inside. As you can see, here is a Geo SIM card already inserted in it, and this phone is by Life company and is powered by Geo. Now let's start the Geo phone. As you can see, the phone has started, and the phone is locked, and you have to open the lock by pressing star for a couple of seconds. Now here by pressing the up button, you can go at notification toggle, and here you can on flight mode or can off it. And here is the brightness setting. Here is the camera option, calculator option. You can turn on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, or can turn off it. And here is also switch off torch and sound and data. So let us on the data. So now the data is on. Let's come in the menu. Here is a browser, call log, a contact, and clock message, and these are the here is a Geo store. As you can see, here is a Geo store from where you can download various apps, but the Geo store has only some of apps. It has not even Facebook and WhatsApp. The Geo company has told that they will launch soon the Facebook and WhatsApp for the Geo phone. So let's come Here is the Geo Cinema, Geo TV, that, and Geo Video Call, and you can manage your account by My Geo. From pressing the right side button, you will get the camera. The camera quality is not so much good as I expected, but it is a lot you are getting in just 1500 rupees. From by pressing left side button, you will reach at the messages. Here are the messages. By pressing this button, you will reach at the songs player, and by pressing the up button you will get on notification toggle. By pressing this is back button. There is no home button at there. This is back button, back. Here you can reach at contacts, and here you can alerts. Here are alerts. By pressing one time, you will get at the call logs, and by pressing it for a couple of seconds, you will reach at video call. From here you can video call to anyone. So the speed of the Geo in this phone is not good as I expected, but it is okay. You are getting in 1500, and it is a lot in 1500. This is an amazing phone in just 1500 rupees. And if you want to browse, you can go from the browser. Here is a browser, or you can press 0 for a couple of seconds and you will reach at the browser. So here is the Google. Let me try. It has not a YouTube app, so if you want YouTube on this phone, then there is no option for YouTube. As you can see on the box, here is the YouTube logo, and also of Facebook. But in this phone, not in Geo Store, we didn't get anything. So let us type simply YouTube. So we have opened the YouTube app. As you can see, the YouTube is open. You can search anything at here. Let me search my channel, Yumi unboxing. The speed of internet is not good as I expected. Its sound quality, its sound speaker is very loud, and it gives a loud sound. And but the quality of sound that comes out from this speaker is not good. It's something fizzy. So let's quit the browser. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any question related to this Geo phone, you can ask me in the comment below. And thank you for watching. If you didn't subscribe our channel, so subscribe today.